Today, I will show you Boblov W5 body camera review. Meet the Boblov W5 body camera, a compact wearable camera that claims 5K video, 4K at 60 frames per second, a 270-degree rotating lens, external microphone support, EIS stabilization, and clip or strap mounting. Basically, it is trying to be a body cam, action cam, and tiny camera crew at the same time.
Let's go!
On paper, the W5 sounds pretty exciting. Amazon lists it as a 5K body camera with microphone using a CMOS sensor and microSD storage, while Boblov markets it for vlogging, sports, meetings, and everyday recording. Translation: if you want hands-free footage without holding your phone like a tourist lost in a supermarket, this thing makes sense. The rotating lens is especially useful because you can adjust the angle instead of doing the awkward "is it recording my chin" dance. Now, user feedback around Boblov-style body cameras is usually a mix of great value and manage your expectations. On Reddit, one user discussing the W5 for interviews warned that Boblov gear can work, but audio quality might not be amazing for serious interview use. That is important because bad audio can make a 5K video feel like it was recorded inside a potato. Sharp video is nice, but if the sound is crunchy, your audience will escape. But hold up, wait a minute, something ain't perfect. Trustpilot shows Boblov's company reviews sitting low, around 2.2 out of 5, with only a small number of reviews, so support and buying experience may not inspire everyone to throw confetti. Also, Digital Camera World's review of another compact Boblov model praised design and value, but warned about limits like low light performance and battery life, which is common in smaller affordable cameras. Final verdict: the Boblov W5 body camera looks good if you want affordable wearable 5K, style recording, rotating lens flexibility, and external mic support. But if you need professional audio, long shifts, night recording, or police-grade reliability, slow down. This is more smart budget creator cam than mission-critical evidence machine. That's it. Thank you for watching this video.